Welcome back, everyone, after the short commercial break. Now, here's the first basket by Zayan of Pakistan rivals. This is the second semi-final of the day between Army B and rivals Pakistan. Nikhil Magar not being able to convert. And Zayan there, using inside, but the shot clock expires. Nikhil Magar on the ball now. Nikesh to Nissal, pull job, not being able to convert. Kalimullah with the ball. And Hamad tries, but not being able to convert. But offensive ball to Zayan. And now he not being able to convert again. This is his third attempt before the conversion. Sudeep to Nikesh. He fakes and pulls up. And now he converts. And Kalimullah converting that two-pointer. Nikesh to Sudeep, to Nissal. Nissal driving in. And he draws the foul. In our early game, we saw the time save filled with the senior national players. And here in Army B, we have youngsters of national squad. Nikesh Magar driving in, kicks out. Sudeep, and he converts the two-pointer. Kalimullah driving in, and he floats the ball and he converts. Nikesh Magar now. Nikesh Magar. Pass to Nishchal. Nishchal attempting, not being able to convert. Hamad with the rebound. Steal there by Nishchal. And he's open, but not being able to convert. And he steps out of the line. Muhammad Hamad, sorry. So Amrit Koirala with the ball. Hand off there. Amrit driving in. And the ball is stolen by Zayan. Driving in. And he draws the foul. And he gets the and one. Hamad replaced by Abdul Wahab. Not being able to convert. A good rebound there by Amrit Koirala. Nikesh Magar. He gets the reverse layup. Zayan to Wahab. And he uses his size but not being able to convert. And a good rebound there. Nikesh Magar losing the ball control. Zayan gets the ball. Kalimullah not being able to convert, but he gets his own rebound and he drops a jumper, but not Zayan. Zayan converts the ball. Amrit Koirala not being able to convert. Nikesh with the rebound. Sudeep now from downtown and he converts. And there's a substitution there from both the teams. Wahab and Nikesh Magar being substituted. Zain turns around and not being able to convert. And there's the foul called over Zain.
Pakistan rivals team ball 2.
Nishchal pulls up and he converts. Zain and he converts. And there's a whistle and the violation there. Wahab checks in, replacing Zain. Kalimullah. And there's a miscontrol with the ball. And the ball is still with Pakistan rivals. The shot clock is 5. And he fires up, not being able to convert, taking the rush shot. Kalimullah, substituted by Hamad. Nishal, and he converts the pull-up jumper. Wahab converting the layup. Amit Koirala losing the ball control there, but the ball is still there. Nishal, and he converts the two-pointer. That helps Army B to take the lead for the first time here. Good box out there by Sudeep. And the ball was stolen there. Hamad. Fall call करेगा सन. Nikesh checks in, replacing Sudeep. You can see the very beautiful jumper of Nishal Marzan.
Army team ball 2.
Kalimullah driving in. And the shot block. Tara fall call करेगा सन. Nikesh Magar ko against match.
Army team ball 3.
So we can see in the replay. Kalimullah for the free throw, and he converts. The score is tied at 10 now. Amit Koirala to Nishal, faking the shot, steps back, but not being able to convert. Nishal Marzan, now he converts the two-pointer. And getting back the lead again. And there's a steal by Nishal. Good defense there by Team Army B. Nishal to Nikesh, and he pull job. Not being able to convert. A hustle there for the ball. Rebound. The ball goes out of bound. So Nikesh Magar with the ball. Nishal Marzan not being able to convert, but he gets his own rebound. Nikesh to Sudeep. Not being able to convert the open two-pointer there. Kalimullah. And there's the fall against Nikesh Magar. So Kalimullah.
Army team ball 4.
A kick out. Hamad for two-pointer. Not being able to convert. Sudeep with the rebound. And he converts. Nikesh Magar with the drive. And he gets the and one. So Nikesh
Pakistan
Magar on the free throw
rivals
line
team
there.
ball 3.
Hamad replaced by Wahab. So Nikesh Magar on the screen for the one free shot. Taking his time. And he converts the free shot. Then to Wahab, and there's a fall and one. Wahab getting the and one.
Army team ball 5.
So in the replay we can see there's a clear fall from Nikesh Magar. So Wahab for the one shot. And there's the lane violation. So the free shot will be retaken by Wahab. And now he converts. Amit Koirala with the ball. Nishchal Marjan. And he pulls up a two-pointer. Sudeep gets the rebound. Nishchal again. And he pulls up. And now he converts. Kalimullah to Zain. And there's the foul. All the audience hyped up. The game is getting intense. So in replay we
Army
can
team
see
ball 6, flag on.
a little physical contact there before the rejection. So Zain converts the free shot. Amit Koirala to Nishchal Marjan. He takes the two-pointer and he converts now. 17 now, Army B. Kalimullah, and he loses the control of the ball. Amit Koirala kicks out, but not being able to convert the easy layup there by Sudeep. Kalimullah to Zain, not being able to convert the shot. Nishchal Marjan takes the two-pointer, but not being able to convert again. Zain rebounded by Wahab, and he gets the easy under the basket. Sudeep rebounded by Zain. Kalimullah, he's open there. That's a 1-2-pointer. There's a bit of confusion there. Malai, anyways, Amit Koirala looking for the pass, drives in. Nishchal not being able to convert. Zain takes the two-pointer and airballs it. And a timeout has been called by Army B. For now, Army B 17 and Pakistani rivals 15. For now, Nishchal Marjan is the highest scorer for his team. The young squad of our Team Nepal giving a real good fight to the giant Pakistani rivals there. Pakistan rivals. So we can see the highlights over here on the screen now. Beautiful pull-up jumper by Nishchal Marjan there. And there's Wahab getting easy layup. So Nikesh Magar getting, that's the goaltending there. It has to be the goaltending maybe, or is it a call, a foul call? Let's see in the replay. Of course, it has to be the goaltending. But the officials are not convinced, so they'll be getting the one shot. The basket will not be counted.
Pakistan rivals, team ball 4.
A good hustle there for rebound, but Zain gets the rebound. Zain turns around, gets the layup. Nikesh Magar. Nikesh, that's the good handles. Nishchal to Amrit Koirala. He fires up, not being able to convert. Kalimullah with the rebound. Zain. And now he gets the layup. Nishal not being able to convert, but he gets his own rebound. Nikesh Magar. Nikesh Magar driving in, getting the layup. Score is tied. Kalimullah. Zain. And there's a fall. Obviously, that's a fall. Amit Koirala extending his
Army,
body
team ball
and
7.
making the contact there. Committing the fall. So timeout has been called by the Pakistani rival. So it is still anybody's game, but Pakistani rival, they have advantage of the team fouls of Team Army B. They have 7 team fouls. So Zain on the free throw line for 2 shots. He'll be getting 2 shots. And he converts. Can he make the basket now? And he converts the both. Nishal to Sudeep. Nishal loses the ball control there. Pakistan rival. They need only 1 point to win the game and to enter the final. So the ball is with Army B. The shot clock is at 3. So Nishal Martin there. So we can see in the replay. Good pass there. तर बॉल को तुरंत बने घुमाउनु पुगेका थिए. And that's the referee calling for the shot clock violation. So Pakistani rival, they need only 1 point to win the game and enter the final. Pakistan rival, Wahab, Kalimullah, pulls up, but not being able to convert. Nikesh Magar, with the ball. Nikesh Magar driving in, kick out to Sudeep, and he fires up, not being able to convert. Zain with the rebound there. Kalimullah driving in, passes to Wahab. Shot clock running down, and then the shot clock expires. And the shot clock expires there. So Army B, they have still a bit of hope there. Make the 2-pointer. Try for the 2-pointer there. They have to try, and he does. But no, not being able to convert. Kalimullah with the rebound. Good defense there by Army B. Zain driving in, and he draws the foul. Now he have 2 shots. Now he have to make only 1 out of 2 to win the game.
Army, team ball 8.
Zain, and he converts. He wins. But Zain will take 1 more shot, but it's only for the formality. Zain for the second attempt. It doesn't matter either it goes in or not, but he converts. Now we have the 2 finalists, Pakistani rivals, and